Excellence Online. Subscribe to our channel now for more educational videos and press the bell icon for more updates.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Adnan Ahmed from Excellence Online platform. Today I'm going to teach you about active structures and passive structures. Most of my colleagues and students, they suggested me to upload your videos on this structure, this grammar topic. So I decided to upload 3 to 4 videos in a series so people they can benefit from these videos. Passive voice and active voice. Voices or passive structures and active structures. We have 2 structures we will discuss. We have 5 different dimensions in which we convert active structures into passive structures. One of them is tenses. We have 12 tenses, but in passive we will convert into only 8 tenses. Second, we have modal verbs. The usage, the application of may, might, can, could, would, should, used to, going to, these all are the modal verbs. How to change into passive structures, we have another. Number 3, we have imperative sentences. We have 7 types of sentences in sense and 3 sentences in the structure, simple, compound and complex sentences. Then we have to be participles, to be and third form of the verb. This is another passive structures. And last we have a causative idea. We have causative verbs, causative structures, how to convert them into passive voice. These 5 domains, the 5 areas we will discuss one by one, how to change from active to passive voice. Let's see. First we have active and passive voices, whether voices or structure. This is better structures. The sentence 1 we have, in sentence 1 he plays tennis with his cousins, active voice. He plays tennis with his cousins. This is better to understand the division of sentence. We have though we have got 2 parts of sentences, subject part and predicate part, but here we have further division: subject, verbs, object, phrases, right? These. So subject, verb and object and phrase. He, subject, plays, verb, tennis is object, and remaining part is a phrase. We have divided. This is active sentence. Now passive. The tennis is played by him with his cousin, passive voice. How to change passive voice we will discuss. This is only one example. First rule is subject and object replacement. Replace subject as well as object. Now he and tennis, we have a replacement. Second, we use helping verbs along with the third form of the verb, parts participle in all passive structures. If we have he plays tennis with his cousins, tennis is played by him with his cousins. If from one sentence, from active voice, sense is clarified, you can communicate your message. Why do we use passive voice? This is question. If one structure clarifies the message, so why there's a need to use second structures? See, we have 2 things. One is when you emphasize subject, then we have active voice. When you want to emphasize object, then we have passive voice. Both are right, both they have different places, and according to situation, whether you are focusing, concentrating, you are emphasizing subject and object. If you are just focusing on subject, then active voice, or if we have reverse, then passive structures, right? See, first we have tenses. How to change passive voice, how to change active into passive voice. We have tenses, right? As you can see here, numbers, we have 12 numbers, 12 tenses. We have 2 dimensions of tenses. One is vertical dimension, second we have horizontal dimension. Most of the professor, teachers, language structures, they teach tenses vertically. All present tenses, all past tenses, then all future tenses. This is vertical dimension, right? This is one approach of teaching tenses. Number 2nd approach, some of the professors and language structure, they do not have a vertical dimension, they have horizontal dimension. All indefinite tenses, present indefinite, past indefinite and future indefinite. And then they have continuous tenses, and then perfect continuous. This is another dimension. Though we have got different dimensions, but here basically we are discussing 2 dimensions. Then we have passive structures. Next idea. Tenses, how to change see, we have 12 tenses, 1, 4, 7 and 10. They all are present tenses. 2, 5, 8, 11 are past tenses, and 3, 6, 9 and 12 are future tenses. Right? They all are. So 3 tenses we have divided into 12 category, 12 parts. Second is APC 1, 2, 3. All are indefinite tenses. Number second, 4, 5, 6 continuous tenses, present, past and future tenses. Number next we have 7, 8 and 9 are perfect tenses. Last is 10, 11 and 12 past perfect tenses. We have divisions. This is easy for you to understand. We have 12 tenses, but passive wise we can convert active into passive wise only of 8 tenses, not 12 tenses. Right? This is better to understand through numbers. Last 3 tenses are present perfect, past and future perfect. This structure cannot be converted into passive voice. Number next is number 6. Future continuous tense we cannot convert into passive voice. So keep in your mind, first domain we will change from active voice to passive voice is tenses. In tenses we have 3 tenses, present, past and future tense. Within these tenses we further divide them into 12 parts. 4 present, 4 past and future tense. In diagram you can see, you can observe. So in next video we will discuss the tenses and then modal verbs. Then one by one we have 4 to 5 videos regarding passive structures. You will get benefit. Thank you.